Welcome. In this video I will show all available methods you can check the IMEI or IMEI number on a Google Pixel smartphone. So first things first, let's cover basics. The IMEI number, short for International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique 15 to 17 digit code assigned to every mobile device with a SIM card slot. This number serves as a unique identifier for the device and can be used for various purposes, such as identifying an exact device like its make and model or equipment number, preventing fraud, removing the carrier lock, or ensuring the phone has not been stolen, and so on. Now let's learn all available methods you can find your IMEI number on the Google Pixel phone. So first method, open the keypad and dial *06# secret code. And here you'll see your IMEI number or numbers if your Pixel device has multiple SIM card slots, or as it is in this particular phone, one SIM card slot is assigned to a physical SIM card and another one is there for an eSIM. Now, the second method you can use is to launch your Pixel device's settings, then enter the About Phone category, and here scroll down and you'll find the IMEI numbers. Sometimes those numbers can be also hidden under the SIM status information, so check those if you will not find the IMEI number on the About Phone page. Then another method you can use is to simply take the box or packaging your Google Pixel phone came in and look for the stickers like this one, for example. And as you can clearly see, both IMEIs are written right down here. So just look around the box, look for those numbers and barcodes, and you will be definitely able to find the IMEI numbers, or number for that matter. Now another method you can use is to, look at the SIM card tray. So in order to use this method, you will need to equip yourself with the SIM injection tool like this one per se. Then if your phone is enveloped into a case or some protection, take it out, look for the SIM card slot like this one, then use your SIM injection tool to eject the SIM card tray, and you'll see now that here right above the protective rubber you also have the one of the IMEI numbers printed in. So here it is. And as far as finding IMEI number or numbers goes, that'll be it. Now let me quickly show what those IMEI numbers are good for and how you can use them to, make sure that your device is legit, or simply check an exact specifications of your exact Pixel make and model. So here, once you have already learned where to look for your IMEI number, you can visit the IMEI.info webpage, then input the IMEI number of your device into this text field you'll see on the main page. So let me quickly, type in mine. Then here, press the Check IMEI button, and you'll see a bunch of useful information about the particular device that you have, or that you own, or that you are looking to buy perhaps, and you've asked the seller to provide you with that IMEI number. So here you can, as you can see, check a bunch of basic information about your device, see more if needed, and also perform a bunch of useful checks here. The website has a bunch of free checks to its name, as you can clearly see, and also advanced checks, which you will need to pay for. But nonetheless, those checks are also very, very much useful and would definitely be worth your money. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.